In this video, we'll discuss top benefits and drawbacks of dropshipping as a seller. But before we get on with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so that you don't miss out on great content on WordPress and WooCommerce. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a form of retail business where the store owner does not keep the actual products. Instead, when a retailer sells a product, they display it on their website. Customers buy the items from here, and the supplier ships the item directly to the end customer. Benefits of dropshipping as a seller. Low startup costs. You can launch an online store without investing thousands of dollars. You don't need to buy the actual products for selling. It's easy to set up a dropshipping business. Low risk due to less expenses. Just invest in creating your own website. You have the flexibility and wide array of products available. Dropshipping gives you the flexibility to choose your own workplace anywhere. You have flexibility over which products you want to sell. Flexibility to add as many products as you want so that consumers have a wide range of products. You have the benefit of low overhead costs. You don't need to buy stocks or manage products. The dropshipping business only requires a good internet connection and a laptop or any device on which you can run your website. Hassle-free work. Product packaging and delivery to customers are managed by third-party suppliers. This allows you to continue introducing new products on your website. Now, let's discuss a few drawbacks of dropshipping as a seller. The biggest drawback is low profit margin. The ease of entry and low overhead promote competing stores selling similar products at very low prices in an effort to make a profit. Tracking inventory can be tough. When you import products from multiple warehouses, to fulfill different orders, your warehouse status will change constantly. Since suppliers are the ones who keep a record of their product inventory, you won't be aware that the merchandise is out of stock. There are complexities with shipping. If the supplier has a problem, you are also responsible for all of it. That's because the brand mark is on your website. The reviews you get for the products will appear on your website. So you have to be very careful while looking for a supplier. The risk in offering and selling products that are no longer available from the supplier results in potential customer service issues. Complex delivery costs. If you work with multiple suppliers, there is a difference in delivery costs and are located in several countries. Managing this can be a bit daunting, and this will certainly complicate shipping costs. Should you start a dropshipping business? If you have unique marketing strategies and you can overcome these dropshipping challenges, then you are qualified to enter this field and make a profit. We suggest that you learn the basics of digital marketing and evaluate business ideas and marketing plans before entering into the dropshipping business. How to start a dropshipping business? You can use two major platforms, WooCommerce and Shopify. WooCommerce is an e-commerce platform that's built on WordPress and completely free. It's by far the most popular way to build any type of e-commerce store. There is no need for a physical location, storage, and manufacturing expenses. The only costs you'll have to cover are your domain name and hosting fees. There are various dropshipping apps for WooCommerce and WordPress that can make your business even more effective. Dropship is an excellent WooCommerce dropshipping plugin built specifically to sell with AliExpress suppliers. It makes it super easy to import products directly from AliExpress into your WooCommerce store. It allows you to automatically adjust pricing and inventory for dropshipping products. You can set pricing variables to automatically adjust pricing based on your profit settings. DropshipMe is another WordPress dropshipping plugin that allows you to import products from a curated list of best-selling dropshipping items. This plugin allows you to easily build a fully functional store with detailed product data. All product titles, description, and images are already optimized for best conversions. It also imports real customer reviews to add social proof to your product pages. Shopify is the second most popular e-commerce platform. It connects to hundreds of dropshippers via apps that automate every step, including its own Oberlo app. Shopify is user-friendly, economical, and manages your inventory for the dropshipping business. Shopify dropshipping apps let you choose products directly and instantly sync your chosen products with your online store. Oberlo is one of the most popular Shopify dropshipping apps. You can browse through a vast catalog of new products in different categories. You can also select where you want to ship the products. With each product listing, you also get info on the number of stores currently offering it. Printful is your go-to, print-on-demand, dropshipper. It combines custom printing and dropshipping so that you can sell anything from posters to t-shirts, and pillows to mugs. Printful has an ever-growing collection of quality products, and the design module is well structured for you to upload your designs and start selling them on Shopify. Now, you can choose your preferred dropshipping platform and start your business. To learn in more detail, you can check out our previous video on how to create a free dropshipping store. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media channels. Do let us know in the comment section if you want us to cover a specific topic or if you have any ideas or suggestions.